come down here, sir.
Huh?
Cut them there.
Boy, I turn the phone from me. I'm here to
Cut your little piece them, yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, anywhere you want to cut. See piece up above, yeah.
Big.
Alright. See piece more, sir. Cut the big piece.
Where?
Cut it right across here, the bungle. Right across here, yeah.
Really? Move this.
Make sure it come out.
Go on, no, man.
One, two, three.
Just press it and hold it on it, yeah, you're right. Easy going, right. Yeah, man, all of that in a head too. I saw you get good video. Come back on here, sir. Yeah.
What else?
Cut anything you see in front of you. Cut, you see a big piece in the cut.
Where?
That there.
This.
Yeah.
Come on. Look at there, sir. Yeah. Come on. Yes, that's right.
All right. Yeah.
Being a wife couldn't stop me from living my life. I'm my own boss, whether I got the ring or the up. I'm a money magnet, I attract all the money. Because of my talent, I've got pranks, so it's coming. Might have came from the country, but I got some mentality. Grew up and saw my mom and dad poor, but I told myself I ain't gonna spend eternity on the road, so I took a detour. I mean another route, which led me to the stage at age 18, and I don't regret. Been through many obstacles in life, but I'm still good. I'm still fine, cause I got Jesus on my mind. He's the reason I'm still standing up to all these trials. I had people rose up against me without a cause. Night and day, they fire their evil darts. But I use a shield of faith to quench all them evil darts. I'm a child of God, I'm God's chosen one. You can never fight against me and anticipate one.